Hello and welcome back into my kitchen. This recipe today is quite improvised because I already started making the cheesecake, and then I thought, yeah, why not share it with you guys? And so yeah, the crust is already made, so sorry about that. But we're going to make an orange cheesecake. We will need a crust. I used a package of plain wheat cookies and 3 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons of butter, and I crushed the cookies, mixed it with butter and made the crust. So very simple. For a cheesecake we will need 4 eggs, the zest of 2 oranges, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 pint of sour cream, which is approximately 500 grams, and approximately 300 grams of cream cheese. I'm using Philadelphia. 1/3 of a cup of orange juice. I made it freshly squeezed orange juice. I was not able to find already made carrot juice, don't ask me why. So I made it by myself. I grated the carrots and squeezed them, and this is the result. I added a bit of lemon, otherwise it would have gotten completely brown. So let's begin. First we will mix the sour cream and the cream cheese until it's smooth, and then we will add the sugar and make a cream out of it. Now we add 1 egg at a time and keep on stirring until it has the consistency of a frothy cream. And finally we add the orange juice, the carrot juice and the zest. Heat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius, 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the mixture for your cheesecake on top of your crust. Now bake it for approximately 70 minutes. If it turns too dark, cover it with some aluminium foil, and the result should be firm but still jiggly. And once it's baked, leave it in the oven for another approximately 20 minutes because you don't want it to crack on the surface. Finally, it's finished cooking and it's rested for 25 minutes in the oven with the temperature turned off, and we finally removed it from the oven. We still have to let it cool down completely because it's still quite hot, but I wanted to show you that it's perfectly jiggly. Look how jiggly it is. Jiggle, 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 jiggly. It's time to cut. Finally, it's time to eat. Ooh. Amazing. So thanks again for watching and see you again next week. Have a nice week. Bye. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Jiggle, 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 jiggle.